2003 Chevrolet Avalanche Crew Cab Pickup. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, gas 5/8, 5.3L 327, RWD rear-wheel drive, interior cargo shade, front tow hooks, tires front touring, tires rear touring, full-size spare tire, aluminum wheels, power steering, 4-wheel anti-lock brake system, 4-wheel disc brakes, daytime running lights, fog lamps, heated mirrors, power driver mirror, power passenger mirror, heated exterior driver mirror, heated exterior passenger mirror, privacy glass, intermittent wipers, bed liner, power driver seat, cloth seats, split bench seat, pass-through rear seat, second row bench seat, front floor mats, front reading lamps, power door locks, power windows, alarm, keyless entry, rear defrost, adjustable steering wheel, leather-wrapped steering wheel, vehicle anti-theft system, cruise control, climate control, dual-zone AC, AM/FM stereo, CD player, electrochromic rear-view mirror, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, driver illuminated vanity mirror, passenger illuminated visor mirror, auxiliary power outlet, rear reading lamps.